Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Gantt chart in Excel quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Excel spreadsheet and create a simple table with the three columns: task name, start date, and duration. Next, select the start date and duration columns. Then go to the Insert tab and click the bar chart and choose Stack Bar Chart. Once the chart appears, right-click the Start Date bars, then click Format Data Series and set the fill to No Fill. This will leave only the duration bars visible, which forms your Gantt chart. And after that, you can adjust the task name and dates to make the chart easier to read. And that's it. You now have a simple Gantt chart in Excel to track your project task. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.